Hello friends, today I will show you how to turn a picture into a video in a couple of clicks. But first, watch this video to the end to decide if this AI tool is worth your attention. Let's get started. Go to the site runway.com and register through your email. On the free plan, you have 2 minutes of video per month. If you want more, use the subscription starting from $12 per month. On the first attempt, we will make a video from text. I wrote a description, a falling cube on a game field. So, we wait literally for 5 seconds, and here's what I got. Yes, the result is terrible. I changed the cube to an apple, and here's the result. We see almost a static photo instead of a video. Then I went to Leonardo AI and generated the image I need with an apple. Now we go to Runway and click on the button from picture to video. And here's what I got. I really liked the result. Dynamic video, great effects compared to the previous ones. The final result depends heavily on the original picture. Now let's try this AI with people, cartoon characters and more. I also generated images in Leonardo AI. Here's the result. I try making a video from a picture, also from a picture with a description. In some cases it influenced the final result and in others it didn't. As we can see with images where people have many errors and distortions. Hands and legs get distorted, eyes disappear here and there. I was already disappointed and thought that this AI works very inaccurately with images of people. But the last video pleased me a lot. Just look. I think there is potential in this AI tool. You need to keep trying. You can also register more emails, addresses and get additional time completely for free, but if you want to generate videos unlimitedly, you will have to pay $76 per month with an annual subscription. There are the prices as of today. I hope this was helpful for you. Also watch other videos on my channel as I will save you time exploring various AI tools and applications. Subscribe and we will see in the next video. Bye!